Good afternoon everyone, and greetings from the shed of eternal possibilities. I hope you're all alright. I was happy to see this morning that we're now up to 370 subscribers, family members, and as I say, when we reach that magical number of 400 there will be a free giveaway, and as we get close to that target I will let you all know what it is. Right, I'm going to do another taste test today. I'm back from Hull and spending time with my grandson. It was a brilliant time away, and now it's time to get back to business. Doing a sausage roll test today. These are 9 pork and chorizo sausages from Asda. And these were £1. You can have them hot or cold, and as you can see I'm having them cold. So, £1 for 9. And let's see what we think. Sorry for the camera shake. Right, here's the first one. As you can see, there's a lot of pastry and very little filling in that first piece. But we'll give it a try. It smells absolutely fine. I've got to be honest, the pastry is pretty much tasteless. Not a very pleasant texture. And the filling, to be fair, is largely tasteless too. Definitely largely tasteless. As you can see again, nine of these for £1, of course, as I've said. A complete and total lack of seasoning. Would I buy them again? Definitely not. For £1, if you see them in Asda, my advice to you folks is walk on by and find something else which is perhaps worth £1. The other ones we're going to try, there are 5 for £1. And these are Bowyers Sausage Rolls. Again, they can be eaten hot or cold. I'm having this one cold. Bowyers used to be very, very popular back in my day. So we'll give them a go. They can't be any worse than the Asda one, says he. Hopefully they won't be. That's the Bowyers pork sausage roll. These are from Famfoods. They smell okay. Again, there's much more pastry than filling, but I suppose for £1 you can't really expect miracles. The pastry on that one is slightly better. The pastry on here is quite salty, it has flavour, where the Asda one didn't. Let's see what the filling's like. As you can see, not really a sausage, but more of a mush. Well, let's give it a go. Again, salty. It's full of flavour. So for me, guys and girls, again though, as I say, we need to watch the fillings. If you can hear any music, I apologise, but my neighbour, he must be absolutely stone deaf by the volume that he plays stuff, and it's always dance music. He's the oldest swinger in town. Again, quite disappointing at the amount of filling you get, but these are far better than the Asda ones, which are completely tasteless. The Asda one I'd probably give 3 out of 10 on a good day, and the Bowyers maybe 7 out of 10. But in my opinion, and it is only my opinion, I find that the Bowyers ones are far superior. They're not bad at all. So, my friends and family, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please click the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below, particularly if you've tried these sausage rolls. The Asda ones I wouldn't wish on anybody. Again, personal opinion, you know. But hit the bell icon for any future uploads. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. It costs nothing, helps the channel grow, or become part of that bigger family. I keep saying it, but I've met some lovely people while I've been doing this channel. and thankfully most of the comments I've had, apart from two, have been very encouraging. And if you can hear that now, I suppose for my benefit he's just turned his music up again. It's so irritating. Anyway, on that note, my friends and family, I hope that you're all having a wonderful Friday and looking forward to the weekend where we're supposed to be having a heat wave. Take care of yourselves in the sun, be kind to each other, namaste, and may your God go with you.